my name is Paul. This is my 2007 Lexus IS250. It's manual, which is rare. You can follow me at par.2is on Instagram. My brother-in-law actually bought this from the dealership in 2007, and he's owned it since. And then he was trying to sell his car in 2013. I actually bought it off of him for $13,500 when he was originally selling for $15,500, and he kind of gave me a deal because I was actually looking for a Honda Fit, and he basically just said, can you pick up girls in a Fit or a Lexus? So he gave me a deal, basically giving him $2,000 down, $250 a month. I paid it off in 2 years. So that's where I'm at with this right now. I got Godspeed Monomax coilovers, Godspeed lower control arms, upper control arms, RR Racing bushings, RR Racing intake, Tanabe medallion exhaust, Axelback exhaust, and a bunch of cosmetics. I have a 3rd gen conversion bumper, VLAN headlights, Save-On carbon fiber hood, which I wrapped, some wing I got from a Mercedes S550, JNC wheels, those are pretty cheap, powder coated in that, side skirt extensions, rear diffuser, front lip, I'm on my 5th one, but I don't feel like getting another one because I keep breaking them. In Naztec midnight purple vinyl, wrapped by West Coast Vinyls. I'm not sure what else. I was featured on Super Street with 9 other Lexus owners, or IS owners. So you can see that on my bio. There's a link in the profile. So when I first owned the car, it was black paint, this is the original paint up top. I kept it black, and then it was black on white. So the wheels, I've had it for basically 7 years, 6 years. Black on white, it looks stock basically, just dropped. Then I went to a Avery Dennison dark yellow wrap, and it was kind of a ram stain because I kind of plastic dipped the wheels blue as well. And then this is phase 3, basically 3.0. It's a purple and gold, or bronze, but it's LAKER'S stain. And yeah, that's basically it. Future plans is kind of up in the air because I never know what I'm going to do. Like when this car was yellow, I thought it was going to be yellow forever, and then I ended up just doing a bunch of random stuff, changing the colors, powder coating the wheels different. I do want to get more performance out of it, but then I do drive slow in general, so there's no need for that. At least track this car once. Other than that, I don't know. I don't know future plans. Second gear grinds.
Oh, I see. Let's do a little pull.
Oh. Everything grinds. See how slow it is?
All right, so give us a little backstory on how you got the IS and why you chose it.
So basically, my brother-in-law.
Wait, actually, fuck. Yeah.
0 to 60 right now.
Yeah. All right, no, let's start it over.